So many people are focused on getting the perfect abs and the perfect waistline. When this happens, they completely forget about their back. Our backs are constantly being used in our daily activities. Bending over to tie a shoe, carrying in groceries, or hunching over to use a laptop puts a lot of strain on the back. This can cause us to become slouched and develop folds on our sides and back. Getting rid of these folds is no easy task, but there are effective exercises that can help. A toned back not only looks good in the mirror, but it can also help with posture and overall body strength. You don't want to get older and have back problems because you have bad posture. If you have a bad back, it will affect the rest of your body as well. You should also keep in mind that getting rid of excess fat on your back is about more than just doing the right exercises. To reduce fat anywhere on your body, you have to be in a caloric deficit. This means that you have to burn more calories than you are consuming every day. When you start losing weight, the genetics and composition of your body determine where you will start losing fat first. You can't spot reduce fat, so don't be discouraged if you notice that you aren't losing fat from your back and sides immediately. Just be consistent, keep up a good diet and good exercise regimen, and you will start seeing the fat drop off in a matter of time. Before we begin this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more daily tips like this and turn on notifications so you never miss our new videos. Forward bend. This exercise will help you stretch out your back. Nothing helps get rid of folds than stretching them out. Start by standing up straight and keep your feet shoulder width apart. Try to lean forward without bending your knees and try to touch the floor with both palms. If you can't touch it with your palms, try and reach it with your fingertips. Try to do 2 to 3 sets and 10 to 15 reps per set. There are all sorts of benefits to the forward bend exercise. Not only does this exercise stretch your hips, calves, and hamstrings, but it also strengthens the thighs and knees and keeps your spine flexible and strong. This exercise is also known to help reduce stress, activate the abdominal muscles, and relieve tension in the neck, spine, and back. Side bends. This is the most beneficial exercise for getting rid of side folds. Start by standing straight with your feet spread wide apart. Raise either of your hands and place it on the back of your neck. On the other hand, you'll have a dumbbell and begin to lower it. When you're lowering it, begin to bend your head towards the arm with the dumbbell. Try to do 3 sets and 15 to 20 reps per set. This unique exercise targets both your external and internal obliques to strengthen the side AB wall. It can help tighten your core, sculpt your waist, and improve both your posture and your stability. Give it a go if you want a tighter core and smoothed out back. Push-ups. Whether you exercise or not, everyone knows this exercise. Start by getting into the plank position with your hands slightly outside your shoulder width. Begin to lower your body until you feel your chest touch the floor. Take a brief pause and push yourself up to the starting position. Attempt to do 3 sets and 20 to 30 reps per set. Push-ups are a great exercise for your overall body because they can help prevent lower back injuries, increase the muscle definition in your whole body, improve your posture, and increase your functional strength. Remember, push-ups work a large number of the muscles in your body, not just your back. So it's a great exercise to not only help sculpt your back, but improve your overall muscle definition. Bow pose. This is a tough exercise to perform if you're just starting. Begin by lying flat on your stomach, then pull your arms forward and bend your back, and slowly lift lift your head. Try and lift your legs and bring your heels close to your buttocks. Use both hands to grab your ankles and hold that position. Try and hold that position for 15 to 20 seconds. The bow exercise not only strengthens your back muscles, but also stretches your ankles, thighs, groin, chest, hip flexors, and abdomen. It will help increase your flexibility and stretch out your entire body. If you've already mastered these exercises but want to know about other exercises you can do to get rid of the folds on your back and sides, keep watching. The Superman. Watch out, Clark Kent. This is a relatively easy but effective exercise for getting rid of folds on the sides and back. Start by lying straight down on your stomach. Stretch out your feet and arms and begin to lift them up at the same time while bending your back. Hold this position for 10 seconds, then return to the starting position. Do 3 to 4 sets and 15 to 20 reps per set. Try practicing this exercise a few times a week. It can help build strength in your lower back, prevent back pain, and improve posture. Plus, who doesn't like pretending that they're Superman from time to time? Upper back lifts. On a stability ball, this exercise might seem or even look a little bit confusing, but it's actually pretty easy and effective. To do this exercise, you'll need a stability ball. Start by laying your belly on the ball with your legs shoulder width apart and both palms on the back of your head. Keep your neck straight and lift your head while lowering your shoulders and upper back. Hold the position for 5 seconds, then return to the starting position. For best results, do 1 set with 15 to 20 reps. Not only will this exercise help improve your back strength, but it will also improve your flexibility while improving your overall muscle definition. Full bridge. This is a more advanced exercise and will require a lot of practice and supervision. Start by lying flat on your back with your knees bent and your feet flat on the floor, hip width apart. Then bend your arms and put your hands over your head. Begin to press your legs up and bend your back up and lift your body off the ground. If you're just starting out, only lift your body halfway. This will form a half bridge. Once you get good at that, then you can try the full bridge. Back bridges can help reduce back pain, increase back strength, restore mobility, and strengthen your entire body. Be sure to start with a half bridge to get comfortable with the position. You'll notice that as you continue to do it, you'll get stronger. Soon enough, you'll be able to do a full bridge without any hesitation. These are the most effective side and back exercises, but don't limit yourself. There are many other ways to get rid of your side and back folds. The best way is to constantly do exercise and have a healthy diet. You can't expect to do these exercises once and have your side and back folds be completely gone. Dedication is key. If you are trying out an exercise for the first time or are unsure if you are using the proper form, be sure to consult with a doctor or personal trainer. Your doctor will tell you what kind of shape you are in and some of the best ways to improve your health, while a personal trainer can ensure that you are using the right form. This will help prevent injury while also helping you become comfortable with some of the more tricky exercises in this video. Let us know by commenting below. Enjoyed this video? Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.